the latest generation of big Aussie 8s has raised the standard of function and refinement to a whole new level. To raise the bar even higher, X-Force presents the VAREX exhaust system, elevating the performance and look of the VE Commodore to a blistering new height and unleashes the V8 roar like no other. The goals of the VAREX exhaust system are simple. The look, which sets off the rear with high quality, highly engineered polished pipework. The sound, which opens the floodgates with a thunderous V8 howl. And the performance. Put the foot down, feel the force. All this has been achieved through dedicated research and development in Australia with an unquestioned commitment to strength of construction. Utilising the latest technology, it's all controlled by a compact and easy to use remote control system. Adjust the VAREX system to suit your driving environment, whether it be the quiet back streets, the wide open highway or anything in between. The simple goal? To have your VE Commodore growl like a V8 supercar storming down Conrod Straight on throttle or fly under the radar when off. Full control of the exhaust volume at the touch of a button. Inside the muffler are 2 layers of stainless steel insulation and fiberglass offering unrivaled strength, heat dissipation and durability. The electronically controlled butterfly valve can be wide open and operate as a free-flow exhaust, or when closed, redirects the expelled gases through a network of chambers within the tip to suppress unwanted noise without too much restriction in flow. There is no compromise with the VAREX exhaust. Through advanced design tailored exclusively for the VE Commodore, the benefits are more than skin deep. Whilst most manufacturers only offer a one-size-fits-all option, VAREX offers 4 carefully engineered exhaust systems for the VE Commodore alone. There is an option to suit your needs and exceed your expectations. With the VAREX system, proven gains will transform the performance of your Commodore. The VAREX exhaust system also gives your VE, through its polished and stylish exhaust tips, an aggressive yet elegant cosmetic improvement, not to mention a bark that evenly matches the bite of your V8. The look, the sound, the performance. Advanced construction, practical application, and a note that will bring a smile to your face when your foot hits the floor. X-Force, makers of VAREX, also have systems to suit Nissan, Subaru, and Ford. For more information, visit xforce.com.au or your local exhaust or performance specialist.